So we are here to understand recursion. To understand it, we need to understand this function. It has a starting point and end point, and this is where recursion is happening. The function is calling itself and thereby creating a loop. And because this is a loop, it needs to be started. That's why there is a condition. Now, let's start the loop, and before that, let's put a breakpoint here. The function 1 has started. If I press continue, you can see that the function 2 started. If I keep pressing continue, all my functions are starting, but no function is ending. Why? Because programming languages prioritizes the latest function to finish first. So what function will finish first? Let's put a breakpoint here. Now that the iteration is 5 and this condition is false, no more recursion is bound to happen. So the function 5 will end. So the function 5 ends. Now if I press continue, now the function 4 ends because it became the latest after the fifth function completed. And after the 4 completed, the 3 became the latest function. So it will complete first. So if I keep doing this, after the function 1 ends, the program ends. So that's how recursion works. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.